Hello everyone, I am back with another unit number 2, Pros Flying Together. Let's start the lesson. Some of the things your parents and teachers tell you to do on time, like get up in the morning, do the homework, pack your school bags, etc. What happened when you did not do as they asked you to do? Let's read the lesson, you will be understand. Now, in this lesson, there are two characters. One is geese and one more is hunter. Geese. Geese is plural for goose. Goose is a bird which have large web foot. Which have large web foot. Look at the image. You can see a group of birds. Those birds are geese. And there is one bird which is wearing the specs. That is old wise bird. Now let's read the lesson. Deep in a forest stood a very tall tree. Its leafy branches spread out like strong arms. Leafy means covered with leaves. This tree was the home of flock of wild geese. Flock means group of birds. They felt safe there. One of the geese was a wise old bird. He noticed a small creeper at the foot of the tree. He spoke to the other birds about it. Creeper means any plant that grows by creeping, especially climbing plant. Look at this image. You can see there is a climbing plant. No, that is called creeper. Do you see the creeper? The wise bird said to geese, "Let us destroy it." "Why must we destroy it?" asked the geese in surprise. "It is so small. What harm can it do?" "My friends," replied the wise old bird, "that little creeper will soon grow. As it creeps up this tree, it will become thick and strong." "What of that?" asked the geese. "What harm can the creeper do us?" "Don't you see?" replied the wise bird. "With the help of that creeper, it will be possible for someone to climb this tree. A hunter can come up and kill us all." "Well, there is no hurry," they replied. They means the geese replied, "No hurry. The creeper is very small. It would be a pity to destroy it now." Pity means feeling of sympathy. "Destroy the creeper while it is still young," the old bird advised. "Now it is tender and you can cut it easily." Tender means young plant. "Later it will become hard and you will not be able to cut it." We will see, answered the geese. But they did not destroy the creeper. They forgot the wise old bird's advice. As the creeper grew, it began winding its way up stronger and stronger, until it was as strong as a thick rope. One morning, when the geese had gone out in search of food, a hunter came to the forest. "So this is where the wild geese live," he said to himself. When they came back in the evening, I shall catch them." The hunter climbed up the tree with the help of the creeper. He got to the top and spread his net there. Then he climbed down and went away. In the evening, the geese returned home. They did not notice the net. As they flew into the tree, they were trapped. Trapped means a machine or other device designed to catch animals. Here what the hunter used to catch the bird, he used the net. They struggled hard to get out but could not. "Help, help," cried the geese. "We are all caught in the hunter's net. Oh, what shall we do?" "Don't make a fuss now," said the wise old bird. Fuss means worry or talk about something. Long ago, I told you to destroy the creeper, but you did not. Now see what has happened. Tomorrow morning, the hunter will come back and kill us all. We were foolish, wept the birds. We are very sorry. We did not listen to you. Please tell us what to do. Then listen carefully, replied the wise bird. When the hunter come, you must all pretend to be dead. Just lie still. Pretend means to engage in make believe others. The hunter will not want dead birds. He will throw us to the ground. It will then be easy for him to climb down, collect the dead birds and take home. When the last of us has been thrown down, we must quickly get up and fly away. In the morning, the hunter came to the tree and climbed up. He looked at the geese in the net. They are all dead, he muttered to himself. Muttered means low voice or murmuring. He threw them out one by one from the net. The birds lay still until the last one had been thrown down. Then all at once they got up, flapped their wings and flew away. Flapped means to move up and down. The hunter was taken surprise. From the top of tree he watched all the geese fly away. The story is adopted from Panchatantra. Panchatantra is an ancient Indian collection of interrelated animal fables. It is written in Sanskrit. Fables means moral stories about animals. Children, the story was interesting, right? I hope you all enjoyed listening the story. Now we came to an end of the lesson. Let me explain the worksheet. The first Roman is true or false. Read the sentence carefully and answer the questions with true or false. And the second Roman is describe one incident when you got into trouble because you did not do your work on time. So you have to describe one incident which you did not do at time and what trouble you faced because of that. You have to describe here. Once you done with your homework, send to WhatsApp group 5th English Naps group. The timing is 6 to 8 in the evening. Bye children. Take care. Have a great day.